midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. How we do it. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have any video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey my boss, what's good, what's poppy, what's rolling on the corner? And guys, I'm coming up to you with this beautiful kind of natural look put together. It's a quick get ready with me. Excuse the attitude in the video, okay? You know I'm all over the place when I got no time. I decided to go for a beautiful chocolate lip color and I'm loving the way it turned out. Lashes of course is calling you, baby girl. She's here, mama is back, okay? Anyways, no long talking. If you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this look, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look, because more Selin, your mama, she's into this look, period. Like seriously. that was my baby girl. Anyway, no long talking. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you in my next video. Take a love it, ciao. Mwah. Was popping. I need to be fast about it. So this is a quick get ready with me, okay? Quick one, no hard feeling, but we are still going to keep everything intact. You know how we do it. So I'm just going to spray my face a little bit with the Urban Decay All Nighter Oil Control Setting Spray. The Smashbox Studio Skin 15 hours wear, and I'm going to be taking the Lóréal Perfect Matte Foundation. This one is a cappuccino and this one is in 42. These two foundation right here. A little bit from the Smashbox Studio Skin. I'm going to be taking this Gel Stop number 04, which is buffer. Mist at the back of my head before I go in and apply it on my face. I'm just going to use the back to do a dot. You guys know how we do it.
If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain.
In as much I'm in a hurry, I'm seeing the mood to play. You know, that's a part of the game, baby girls. Don't get life twisted. Life is so beautiful. Beauty blender, beauty sponge. I'm going to be taking my Blackupsepowder and use this Gel Stop powder brush. So yes, I'm going to be taking the Nars Radiance Creamy Concealer in the shade number 5. No, sorry, in the shade medium dark, okay? Foundation stick in F16. You guys have seen me, I believe, bunch millions of time, because this is just the perfect contour stick for me to use. So, and I'm not planning to change it sooner or later, but let's see if something can be a little bit similar like this, I will. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and start to blend. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Factory brush, contour brush. I'm just going to start blending from under my chin, my jaw, under my jaw, no chin, this is a chin, okay. Love about this, one thing I really love about this foundation stick, I know I've said it many times, it just blends into my skin perfect, to my skin, and relax. You know what I mean? Take a chip here, and just do the job from my mind. My face love the product. Don't you see how flawless it is? Anyways, back to blending. I'm feeling myself, hey, I didn't want music because when I put music, baby girl, trust me, ain't go nowhere. Ask me the reason why I'm feeling putting my hand on the back of my head today, because I'm just feeling myself. Like seriously, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling beautiful, I'm feeling super relaxed, and I'm feeling every kind of smooth mode. You know what I mean? Smooth mode. You know what is called smooth mode? You want me to tell you? Anyways, if you have been there, let me know in the comments section how to get a smooth mood and feeling yourself in all over the place, period. Okay. Oh God. Excuse the rants. The Hudabeauty bakery setting powder and banana bread. Okay. Taking this MAC Natural Etchinda. I'm just going to be bronzing my face with that. Not really setting, just bronze. I'm going to be taking my Blackupsepowder, just one dab, just to suit everything. In my favorite blush, you guys know, by MAC in winter, I love to use it. This is Rising, this one right here, and I'm taking this Technique brush, not sponge. I'm in haste, so excuse the attitude. So right now I'm just going to go straight ahead and do my eyebrow, and I'll be right back, baby girl. Just stick around. You guys have seen me a bunch of times. Like, I need to get my eyes together, girl, but I just need my eye to stand out a little bit. So taking this shade called Camel, I'm just going to blow that on my lid. I'm not really going for any shade. I just want something to be on my lid. I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic number 6 brush. Just going to do it like so, and that is going to be my lid color. That is the look we are going for. Going to apply that under my eye. So guys, as you can tell, my eyeliner is done. I'm just going to go straight ahead and spray my face before I go in with mascara and lashes. And I'm taking the same Urban Decay setting spray. I'm going to be taking this brush. I'm going to be taking the Benefit Lóréal Lash Mascara. Catrice Lashes Cosmetic. These lashes actually have no name, really.
time, I'm in the daylight.
Factor lip liner. I'm just going to fill in my lips with it, but first I'm going to define my lip.
You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud.
Beautiful, right?
And I hear you calling up, yeah. We're talking about nothing.